Hi, Dr. Chen. This is me working in Tableau Prep. And so I guess the first thing I'm going to do is connect to the data. Microsoft Excel, working with the bestseller data that was in from the Tableau learning videos. I'll open it up. And then so I got to drag out a table to the work area. Drag out this mass market table. Bring this down. And then I'm going to click Union Multiple Tables. It goes to Fields. I'm going to add a step so I could clean it up a little bit. The gray. So they said that the gray in these bars show how much values each one has. There's info. And then so just play around with it. I could split these values up because you can see on these cards right here, they're separated by a pipe, and it looks like it has some price on it, author name, ISBN. So I'm gonna try to split that up. Tableau says that it does good with splitting up no matter the delimiter, so it should split up nice. Split values, do automatic, and it worked. Yeah, split up between the title, the author, ISBN number, and then from here I could rename it. Double click, put what's this title, and then put what is author, ISBN number. I could change the table up here too. I'll do like February 28th. Search for February 28th. Oop. Oop, oop. Go back to it. Oh, it is that. Here we go. And yeah, so now I got that split. I can get rid of this. Don't need this anymore. And boom. And then if you click on one, it should show everything that's related to it. So everything is still row against all odds. ISBN number is this. Its rank is 9. And I'm gonna split this because this is two. This card looks like it could be 2 fields. Last week and weeks on list. So let's see. No, this one. Go ahead, split this value. Automatic split. And this is, let's see, this week's on list. So let me change this to just weeks on list. And change this to previous rank. Because that's the ranking for last week. Very nice. No middle name. No middle name was ranked number 1 last week. Weeks on list 8 by Lee Child. Never heard of it. Never read it. Okay. So that's pretty cool. And then you do a lot of stuff here. That's a number, that's a number. I could go here and do like, where is it at? Create calculated field. I think so. Or is it a filter? Let me see. Filter. Then I'm gonna add a filter up here. What's this? No. Let me see. I can figure this out. What does this do? No, not what I want to do. Okay, I remember now. So go back here to the original table. Filter values, and say I just want like the top 5 ranking. I go make a calculation. Rank is less than 6. Apply. Save. And right here, show me the changes I made. So rank is less than 6. Now if I go here, only the top 5 on the bestsellers list is now listed instead of top 10. You can see here in calculation, I don't really need this since it's just basically an artifact of whatever calculation I made. So that's one cool thing I could do on the input step. And then I could also do a group and replace kind of thing. I won't really do it here, but just to show it. Oh, I get rid of this field right here. But just to show it, say like these were all misspellings, or all of them meant to be like one thing, and instead of going through and clicking every single one and fixing manually, I could click on one, preferably the one that's correct. Come here, group values. I could do it based on pronunciation, common character, spelling. See manual selection. So I go here. See never is on the right, and then I click whichever one I want to group it with. And you see it all goes under never. Boom. Which doesn't make sense in this case, but just to show. And then yeah. And then I could join tables. So if I want to come here, I don't know what to join, but say hardcover nonfiction. I come here, I could drag it on top of this table and do a union or a join. Let's do join, and then here it goes. Tells me what's it's joined, what it's joined on and whatnot. You put your values. What's included, join result 3. So what's in common? See, I can split these up again on the join results. Show only mismatch values. Okay. Split this up. Last week, previous week, rank, info, blah blah. And so basically, you have the best sellers list. This bestsellers list. When you join with a hardcover nonfiction, there's best sellers on the bestsellers list on the same week, because that's what it was joined on. Ranking last week and week list. And yeah, so I was joining. I could do a union up here. Drag it on that. Make a union. So just join, mix up 2 tables together. You see there's a lot more stuff on it now. Now this has trade paperback and hardcover nonfiction on it. And it shows you the table names that's unionized. Hardcover nonfiction, trade paperback. This up here is all workflow. So you could see like how it works, blah blah. And then if I wanted to export whatever changes I made down here, I can add an output step. The output step, it kind of shows you a preview of what it would look like. I have to run the flow in order to make it. And then it creates output. And then I can also customize where I want the output to be, but here it goes, output same name. If you want to replace it, it's okay on my computer right here. Yeah, I should replace it on the flow again. And yeah, it's pretty much Tableau prep, at least what I got from it. Thank you.